Hola, y'all. Are you tired of straight lines and you want to add just a little bit of flair and add a little bit of curve to your text? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that with just one click. Okay, I am starting with a blank canvas. This one happens to be 12 inches by 12 inches. I just chose one, whatever size that you need. And we're going to come over here to text. I'm going to add a heading and I'm going to say, let's make a curve. Whatever the text you need it to be, obviously, will go here. So when you click on that, highlight the text, go up here to where it says effects, and you'll see all these different styles. You can outline it, lift it, give the drop shadow, all kinds of things that we do with text. But go down just a little bit and you'll see the shape of your text, no shape or a curve. Click on curve and it curves. Now scroll up just a little bit more after that and you can control your curve. So you can make it go really curvy, like completely in a circle just about. You can make it go up instead of down. You can make it just a little bit however you would like it. So sometimes you may have something, this just happens to be right there, so let's put it in there. You may have something that you want to curve it around. So then you'll just put the text right above it, then come back over here, and you can adjust to make it how you want it and center it. You can still change the colors. You can do whatever you want with that text after you've curved it. Now you can curve your text like a pro. Leave me a comment if you try it and tell me how it goes. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can come back for some more quick, simple Canva tips so that your designs look awesome. Adios.